start with 3 to 4 layers of paper mache in our molder. And then draw our Ghost of Call of Duty.
I'm gonna cut the layout.
I'm also going to cut the eyes and nose. Be sure to seek help from elders when using sharp tools and doing hard cuts. I put cloth on the back to protect my hand from being cut. I'm going to put a thin layer of Formula Y to make the surface of mask even and make the mask strong. Now I'm going to upgrade the mask by emphasizing the features of a skull. Nose and eyes done? I'm going to upgrade and emphasize other parts. Next is the cheekbone. This part is going to be tricky, so I always look at the reference while doing it. I forgot to film this, but I also did the eyebrow bone. I will also going to add the feature on the gums. I will use the round end tip of a paintbrush or any stick-like thing that has a round tip to carve the round shape in here. Next is the teeth. I put too much teeth, but it's up to you guys how many teeth you will put. Now, all I need to do is wait for the mask to be fully dry and become hard. After that, I will sand the surface. I will not put a layer of paper mache after I sand it because I don't want it to be super smooth. And later on at painting stage, I will take advantage of the tiny holes left on the mask to upgrade it more. So it's okay to have tiny holes. And I can also take advantage of the cracks if it have one. I will now paint it with white base paint. I will put tiny black on white just to make it a light gray. As you can see, there's a crack on the mask, and I will upgrade it to make the mask more realistic. If it doesn't have a crack, I can just add by using a cutter. I'm so sorry, I did not notice that it was off the camera because I'm too focused to not make a mistake. So it will be nice if the one doing this can handle cutter well. Now I will show you a technique how to make things look old or dirty using black paint. The technique is simple. Just add water until the water is overpowering the black paint, just like how I did it. I will use this to the parts that need shade, need to look old, the cracks and space on teeth. To paint this white detail earlier, so I'm going to repeat to paint the black plus water later on. And this is the final result of the effect of the black paint plus water. I will put holes here because some of the reference I saw has this. Next step is applying gloss emulsion to protect the paint and some gloss effect. I only apply one layer. On this part, we are finished on making the mask, but I will add some features to make it complete. By the way, I'm not that good at sewing, so that's it. Hot glue is hot, so be careful when dealing with it. I used hockey, so my hand is fine. This is the back part, and I need to sew it.